So now I've got all the data that I want to have in this table. And before I go on, I'm just going to do a little bit of cosmetic work here and take these dates that are left aligned and make them right aligned. Go up to Format, Alignment, choose Right, and then get all of these that give the century and go back up to Format, Alignment, Right. And I don't like these years that don't show the exact year, that just show the century, but I'll fix those in a later video. So I've got all of the data I want, and now I want to copy and paste the data. So I've got a table that is just values only and not associated with a formula. So I'm going to select all the cells, right-click, left-click Copy. Let's go down a few rows. We'll click in this cell, right-click, point at Paste Special, and right-click on Values Only. Paste Special, Values Only. And now let's bold these headings by selecting them and then pressing Command B on my keyboard. That would be Control B on a PC. I'm on a Mac. So now I've got a values only table. If I scroll up a bit, it looks just like the formula-based table, but let's look at a big difference. Let's say I want to change Leif Erikson's year from C 1000 or circa 1000, so it's just 1000 without the C. So I can select it and type 1000 and press enter. So now it just says 1000. If I go up to the formula-based table and select the text and try to change it to 1000 without the C, we'll see what happens. So when I tried to change it to 1000, the table or the function that I used is going to activate again and try to reload the formula. And it's not going to be able to because the function is not set up for that kind of editing. So just to get back to the way I had it, I'm going to press Command Z on my keyboard. It would be Control C on a PC, and that will allow the correct values and the formula to reload. But in this values only formula, or excuse me, this values only table, I can make all the editing changes I want because the table is no longer associated with a formula.